When we received the orders, I decided to do it personally. I got down on the floor. I had to cut. Yeah, I don't mind being on the floor because cutting and sewing is my favorite. It's what gives me joy when I realize I'm able to deliver. Needs finishing, everything on point. Some might think that it is just that easy or simple, but what you add to it is what makes it different. Like this, I love using this. Although it's expensive, but I don't care as long as my clients get the best. This makes my work more different from others. As a man, you may think, why should I be interested in learning things like this? For one reason, this particular collar, it has the same drafting as this particular Mandarin collar. So you see why you should learn stuffs like this. This will enhance a better understanding of your work as a man. Moreover, you can still sew for a lady that you have a sister, wife, mother, or a daughter. You see? Yeah. At the end of the day, I am happy, super happy, because I was able to smile with admiration. At some point, I feel, wow, this client's order can be mine. So guys, let's check it out in another video. Thank you for choosing us, our dear clients, and we look forward to having you more fully